Hello everybody, welcome to this spectacular English class. Today we are going to continue working with our verb to be, but in this case, making short questions. Remember, when we want to write or say short question, we have to put at the beginning the verb to be, am, are, is. And the next one with the personal pronoun, and the last part of the sentence is for the predicate or complement. Okay, then you see here in this chart many questions and short answers in positive and negative. Okay, then you read them at the beginning and then we are going to make questions. Remember the instruction. I'm going to say the question first, you repeat the question and say the answers in positive and negative form. Okay, let's begin. Am I a student? Am I a student? You listen and say, yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. No, you aren't. Excellent. Am I at school? Am I at school? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. No, you aren't. Okay, very good. Next one, okay? Are you a cashier? Are you a cashier? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Very good. Are you at the supermarket? Are you at the supermarket? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Very good. Excellent. Next one. Is he an actor? Is he an actor? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. Okay. Is he in a TV program? Is he in a TV program? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. Very good. Next one. Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. No, she isn't. Excellent. Very good. Is she in a meeting? Is she in a meeting? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. No, she isn't. Okay, very good. Next one. Is it a pet? Is it a pet? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Very good. Next one. Is it in a cage? Is it in a cage? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Very good. Next one. Are we friends? Are we friends? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, no, you aren't. You aren't. Are we at the park? Are we at the park? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. No, you aren't. Excellent. Awesome activity today. Next one. Are you brothers? Are you brothers? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Excellent. Are you in the living room? Are you in the living room? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Okay, very good. You are learning. Next one. Are they classmates? Are they classmates? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Excellent. Are they in the classroom? Are they in the classroom? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Excellent, very good. We have finished this activity today. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And pause the video, repeat the video again, and repeat all the sentences, making questions in short form and answer in positive and negative. Long form, short form, okay? Then, here, I like to write at the end of the video leaving takings, saying goodbye, take care, see you soon, see you later. Repeat all these leaving takings, okay, guys? Thank you very much to be here in this spectacular English class, and see you in the next video.